and girls, so we are going to do an activity where we write our spelling words in pencil, crayon, and marker. So we've done this before. You know what it looks like. Let's do our first word. We're going to write with our pencil. The first word is hot. What sounds do you hear? Hot. The next word is mom. What sounds do you hear? Ah, ah, Next word is dog. D, a, g. Dog. Our next word is bob. B, a, b. Let's write it. B, a, b. Next word, let's do pop. P, a, p. Pop. Next word, hot. H, a, t. Hot. We have 4 more words. Let's do cop. K, a, p. Cop. Next word, not. N, a, t. Not. 2 more. Pot. P, a, t. Pot. And our last word is hog. H, a, g. Good, boys and girls. Now I want you to choose a crayon, your very favorite color, and we're going to write your words in the crayon. So you go back over and write all of your words with your crayon. So push pause and finish writing your words in your crayon. Okay, do you have all of your words written in a crayon? Now I want you to push pause and go get a marker and write all of your words with your marker. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for doing your word work. When yours looks like mine and you have all of your words written, you can take and turn it into the turn-in basket and get started on Lexia. Good job, boys and girls.